After spending almost 100,000 pesos, I've done it. I've uploaded my first ever YouTube video. And yes, that's not how you exactly become a YouTube content creator. Kaya nilista ko lahat ng maling ginawa ko para di nyo na rin siya gawin. Together with all of the limiting beliefs that almost stopped me from doing this. Hi, my name is V, and hindi ako si Kim Taeyong. Welcome to the white side. Content creation is one of the most lucrative As we all know, content creation is one of the most lucrative side hustles na pwede natin gawin whether full-time or part-time. May kasabihan niya tayo eh.
Fortune favors the bold.
According to Ruben Gonzalez, an Olympian, award-winning speaker, and author, if you do what you fear, the fear will disappear. If you do not do what you fear, the fear will control your life. As humans, it's normal to be afraid, especially if you don't have an idea what to do. So that was the first mistake that I did. I spent a lot of time preparing. Don't get me wrong, preparation is key to everything that we do in life. But action is better than perfection. Parang sa basketball lang yan. Athletes prepare for each game day in or day out. Whether first five ka or bench player ka. It doesn't mean na kung bench player ka, ay never ka na makakahawak ng bola. To quote Shia LaBeouf's character in the Constantine movie, there's no use sitting on the bench if you're not ready to play, right? Nevertheless, madaling sabihin, mahirap gawin. What if magbintis ako? What if hindi pumasok yung bola? What if matalo kami dahil sa akin? Ibig bang sabihin nun, mahina ako? Ibig bang sabihin nun, hindi ako magaling? Ano na lang sasabihin ng ibang tao?
NANI?!
You're old, you know.
What?
So that was my limiting belief. Am I good enough? According to Tony Robbins, author of Awaken the Giant Within, limiting beliefs are the stories that we tell ourselves about who we are that hold us back from becoming who we are meant to be. He also mentioned na ang effort at energy na binibigay natin ay nakadepende if meron ba talagang kasunod na resulta ito. If we don't believe that we will get any results from doing something, and we do not have a deep belief in ourselves, sumusuko na tayo kagad bago pa tayo magsimula. And lastly, my third reason is kailangan ko ng magandang gamit para magawa ko ito ng tama. Don't get me wrong, if you can afford it, buy it. Treat it as an investment. Don't let your effort be based sa kung anong gamit meron ka. Imagine all of the successful YouTubers gaya nila Kong TV. Wala naman silang full vlogging setup nung nagsimula sila eh. Mr. Beast, one of the richest content creators, filmed his videos using an iPhone. Lahat ng reasons natin ay dahil sa fear o takot. Fear of being judged, fear of making a mistake, or fear of the unknown. But at some point, you will run out of excuses and you will have no choice but to face your fears, look them dead in the eye, and say, game on. Look, kahit pa gaano kalaki ang pangarap mo, you should always be the first one to believe in yourself. Don't wait for the opportunity. Create it. The White Shirt Guy is a channel that is meant to give you that slight push that you'll need whenever you feel like hindi mo kaya ang isang bagay. The purpose of this channel is to show you how a decision to try can forever change your life. Susubukan natin lahat para once and for all, malaman natin kung kaya ba natin o hindi ang isang bagay. So join me in this journey of self-awareness wherein we try to be better one day at a time. Welcome to the white side.